looking to downsize and sick and tired of seeing these condos for $1 million plus with high condo fees? Well, look no further. Hi, I'm Brian Gagdon with Coldwell Banker, and welcome to 244 Elliott Street in Milton. So the cool thing, what I like about this condo is it's 2 floors, bi-level, so you have your own media room down here. The sellers installed shiplap, custom built the shelving down here, and then they added this awesome bar. So you can grab a cold beer, sit on the couch, watch your favorite sports team or show, and then tucked right around this barn door is you have your own workout room. So as you can see, the sellers turfed their whole backyard, added this awesome patio where they can have great dinners at night. Then after dinner, they could sit back, relax with a cold one, and watch the sports on TV all underneath the stars. Does it get any better than this?